How to fix photo gallery not showing on Motorola phones. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, Motorola phones or their screens doesn't have a default gallery application. So you won't be able to find their gallery application on your device. To access the gallery, first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on search. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Photos. Now tap on install or you will find Now tap on install or enable. You can also go back, tap on search icon and search for Google Gallery. Now tap on this application and click on install. Now tap on open. Now give all the permissions, tap on continue. You can also access the gallery on a device by tapping on camera button. Now tap on the image icon and your photos will be opened in the gallery application. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.